welcome to another What I Eat in a Day video. In today's video, it's going to be really casual and kind of vlog style, and I'm just going to be showing you everything that I eat in a day as a vegan. And I don't really know exactly what I'm going to be making throughout the day. I'm just going to kind of use what I have on hand, and I hope that it gives you some good meal ideas. I do know, however, that I'm going to be showing you my vegan French toast recipe because I have officially nailed it, and I'm so proud of it. It is so delicious, and if you've been missing French toast, this is the recipe for you because it's super easy. 15 minutes start to finish, you will have hot, delicious French toast in front of you, and it is so good. So I'm dipping the bread into a vegan custard that's made with two secret ingredients. One is cornstarch and the other is nutritional yeast, both of which help give it that classic French toast texture and flavor.
Hello, Ramona. I can't shake the simplest feeling beyond the ghost. We stand on the opposite shore.
I'm gonna do some work on the computer for a while and run some errands before lunch, but before I do, I just wanted to say thank you to today's sponsor, which is glassesusa.com. That is where I got these glasses. I know I'm gonna get some questions. I always get questions about where I get my glasses, and I recently picked up some new styles and I really wanted to show you them. I think they're really cute. This style in particular feels like a very cool girl style because my sister and my friend Catherine both have these kind of frames, and so I thought I would give it a try. I have a wide face and I love that they actually fit my face. I either look cool or like I'm gonna do your taxes. Yes, get me that file. This is the second pair. These just make me want to be in a bookshop somewhere, you know, like with some soft jazz in the background. I absolutely love the shape of these. I think they're really flattering. Again, I like how big the lens is. And I also like that they're dark, but they're not black, because the black frames that I've had in the past can be a little bit harsh on my skin if I haven't been out in the sun for a while, which is most of the time, and I don't have any makeup on. It's just a very sharp contrast, whereas this is a little bit softer while still being dark. So I really love the tortoise. I think it complements my skin tone nicely, and these are just a really cute, comfortable pair of glasses. I also got these, which I really like. These are very lightweight, which feels really comfortable. I wear my glasses all day, every day, so these feel really light on my face, and I love the color. They're like this kind of light pink color, and these actually have blue light lenses, so they help protect your eyes from the blue light that you get from computer screens and from your phone. So I'm really excited about that. These are prescription and blue light, and you can add your prescription to almost any pair of glasses, including sunglasses and blue light glasses, on the website. And they also have cute sunglasses. I got these classic aviators as well. I call these the Wish I Was Angelina Jolie spectacles. It's really easy to find frames that you like because you can do a virtual try on, and if you don't have your prescription handy, they actually have an app where you can scan the glasses you already wear and it will figure out your prescription for you. Plus they have kids glasses and sports glasses, and I really think you're going to be impressed with the price point because you can get a complete set, which is the frames and lenses with prescription lenses, starting as low as $30, which I think is really amazing, and standard shipping is free. So definitely check that out. Get yourself some good glasses. I think that especially if you're going to be on the computer a lot, blue light glasses is a great thing to try, and I'm really happy with the range of styles that I was able to find at such a great price. So definitely check them out, and I am going to get to work, and I will see you guys at lunchtime. Yeehaw. And I actually saw these dumplings when I was at Target, and I really wanted to try these for a while. I've seen them on Instagram and on YouTube and stuff, so I thought I would give them a go because I went to the farmer's market this weekend and I have a lot of veggies, but not really anything to like put with the veggies. So I'm gonna have some dumplings, and then I think I'm gonna throw together a quick little salad. Honestly, I normally have avocado toast or some kind of sandwich or tofu scramble for lunch. That's kind of my go-to. I don't normally cook anything, but these are gonna be really fast. You basically just sear them and then you add some water and let them steam for 2 to 3 minutes. So I feel like this and throwing together a salad will be really quick and easy, and I'm really excited to give them a try. I got this beautiful red leaf lettuce from the farmer's market, so I threw together a really quick salad with some carrots, radishes, and sunflower seeds. I also had some cilantro, and I have a pair of kitchen scissors that I only use for herbs. I have a separate one for opening boxes and stuff, but using scissors is a great way to cut herbs. Then I added some lemon juice and my vegan ranch dressing, which you guys have been telling me that you're loving, which makes me really happy, so I'll link it below. It's so easy to make. Okay, here she is. So I've got my dumpling. I'm dipping it into some low sodium tamari, and I put some chives on top. You could do scallions too, that would be really good, but you can really smell the Thai basil and the ginger and the sesame. That's very good. You definitely taste the ginger and the garlic, and the Thai basil is really nice. It's not overpowering. It all just kind of blends together really nicely. So for a quick, like a really quick lunch option or a dinner option, if you guys need something easy, I definitely think these would be a good option. So I'm gonna go enjoy my lunch, and I will see you guys in a little bit. Thought I'd show you my sweatshirt because I know I'm going to get a lot of questions on it. I've had this one for years. If you've been watching my videos for a few years, you've seen this guy, which is why I'm kind of showing it to you right now. I'm impressed that it's in such good condition. I wash it all the time. I sleep in it all the time. I'm really not careful with it, and it still is one of my favorite things to wear. I absolutely love, love, love this sweatshirt. I think it's so comfortable, and it's made by my friend Taryn, who has a all vegan clothing company called Vegetarian. So I will link it below, but I thought I would show you my vegan swag. I need a snack. Yeah. It honestly feels like it should be dinner time because it's already dark outside, but it's not quite dinner time yet, and I need to keep my energy up because when the sun goes down in the afternoon, I just want to end my day and make dinner and crawl into bed at 7:45. I'm not gonna do that, but I do have some leftovers from recipe testing. I made pecan pie truffles for a Thanksgiving video that I will link below if you haven't seen it. So the inside is medjool dates with pecans, pecan butter, a tiny bit of coconut oil just for texture, but that's optional if you don't want to do that. But it just makes it so that they're not too mushy. A little bit of vanilla and then some salt for balance. It kind of tastes like a little chocolate covered pecan pie. So good. Oh, hello. So I have this big bowl of vegetables that need to get used up, and when I was at the farmer's market the other day, I got these little HoneyNut squash. If you've never seen a HoneyNut squash, I just learned about them last year. They look like little butternut squash, but they are roughly the size of a really large pear. So cute. So I have a couple of these that I think I'm gonna roast. I'm gonna get started on this, and I'm really excited because these are just so seasonal and fun, and it's my first HoneyNut squash experience, so I'm excited. So right off the bat, I noticed that these were way easier to cut into than a butternut squash because they're a lot smaller. They also only have about 5 seeds inside, which is way less than a butternut squash. So I just cut them in half, and then I sprayed a little bit of avocado oil for even cooking. Then I did some kosher salts, some pumpkin pie spice, lots of black pepper, and a little bit of maple syrup. And this is a really great hack if you've ever been worried about drizzling something like maple syrup or olive oil directly onto your food and you're worried about it coming out too fast. If you put it on a spoon first, you'll have a lot more control. So a little trick that always works for me. So I went ahead and I put this in a 425-degree oven for about 30 minutes. So it's gonna be tahini and then the mustard. And the only thing I'm doing a little bit different tonight is I'm doing 2 different kinds of mustard because I have Dijon and I have yellow mustard. So it'll be a much more intense honey mustard flavor, which I love. And then I'm gonna do a tiny little bit of maple syrup. You can add a lot or a little. I'm just gonna do a little for balance, and then some water, salt, and pepper. And I'm gonna mix that up, and it will thicken as it sits. So I am gonna go hop in the shower, wash off my makeup. I'm so excited, and I will see you guys in a little bit. squash, this honey nut squash that smells incredible. I'm so excited. It's really creamy, almost like a sweet potato, but not as sweet. If you took a sweet potato and a squash and kind of mashed them together, that's what this is like. It's really, really creamy, but it's not as sweet. So if you don't like sweet potatoes because they're sweet, I think you would really like this. Hello from me and my very tired face. Me and my very tired face are very tired because I had quite a bit of work to do after dinner tonight. So I've been doing that for the last few hours, but I got everything done, which feels really good. And I mean, I was in my bathrobe on my couch while I was working. So it was definitely still quite cozy, nothing too stressful. So feeling really good. I feel like I kind of dotted the I's and crossed the T's, so to speak. So that was good. And I also have my blue light glasses on, so I felt better about staring at a screen at night because my eyes are protected. I was thinking about how nice it is to have fresh new lenses because my old glasses I had for so long and they kind of had these like scratches just from wear and tear over the years, and also like these permanent smudges in certain parts that I could never really clean off. So I would find myself kind of moving them around and trying to look either above or below where the scratches were so that I could see clearly, which is so ridiculous. Comment below if you can relate. Please tell me I'm not the only one who does stuff like that. But anyway, it does feel really nice to have a fresh, shiny new pair of glasses, and especially that these are blue light. I feel like these will definitely be my go-to computer glasses. So if you guys want to check out glassesusa.com, make sure you check out the link in the description box below, and that's also where you'll find a lot of the recipes that I mentioned in this video and the other videos that I mentioned in this video, because I feel like I mentioned quite a few things. So if you have any questions, make sure you check out the description box. Hit the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy what I eat in a day videos, and I will see you guys in a video very soon. Bye!